Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft ToDo. What I want to cover in this module is how you can create groups and lists and share lists and then assign people to tasks.
Now below tasks you've got groups and lists. You need to create a list first, so if I click on that, let's call this Word, and then you can create a group. So I'll call this Second Chance. That's the group. So I just need to press enter on the word. That will create the list, and it says drag here to add list, so I can drag that there to add list, and then I can do another one, Excel, enter, and then drag that one up to Second Chance, and so on. So you just create the lists, enter, and then drag it to the group, whichever group you want it in. Now you can see on this top one we have got a people symbol, which is a shared list. Once you've done a list, you can share a list and assign people to it. So let's do a task under Word. So add a task, material, video, press and enter each time, and marketing, and let's say I want to share marketing. So what you've got on the right there is share. I don't want to add any of these, so I'm just going to click on the share option, and then you've got create an invitation link. So it tells me that I'm the owner, and I can invite via email or copy the link. I'll just copy the link in this example. Just close that, and then I'll go back to Outlook and send an email. Normally it would set this email off, but my email is set to go to another program, so I'll just set this to send to myself, work for you, and then paste that link in and then send it. So now if I go into a different window, so this is me, work for you has already appeared, and there's the link. So this has come from Alana to me. I'm now logged on as myself. Open the link and sign in to join. Yep. Join the list. So I've joined it. Now I want to open it. Open the list, and I can see the three things there. Once you've shared a list, you can allocate or assign a particular task within that list to a person. So if I click on video, or marketing is what I wanted to assign, I now get this option down there. So the two people, I can assign that to Steve Saxton, and I can assign this to myself if I want, like so. Now if I go back into the other account, so I'm now logged on as Steve Saxton, you can see that I've got these two assignments there. So assigned to me marketing, Word, and Excel training video. So that's how you assign tasks. So I'll just quickly recap that. So what you do, let's say I want to share this list, so I'll add some tasks, video, marketing, material. So I want to share this list. I'll click into that. Notice I haven't got the option to share or assign from there. If I share the list, share the PowerPoint list, do the same thing, copy the link, close this, go back to Outlook, email that to Steve, new message. ppt, paste the link, send. Go back into Steve's account, go to Outlook, there's PPT, click on the link, sign in to join the list. Normally you'd stay signed in, it's because I've got several accounts. Join the list, open it. So now should it be on PPT, should appear. PowerPoint, there you go. And then if I go back to Alana's account, back to ToDo, I can then go into PowerPoint and assign marketing, for example, to Steve. And if I go back into Steve's account, you can see marketing has been assigned to me, which I'll now do. Complete. And then that's how it works. Back in Alana's account, it's marketing is complete. So that's just a very quick overview of how Microsoft ToDo works. So I hope that's been of use to you. And thank you for your time. I'll see you on the next one.